What's up, my Credit with Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit with Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that I put out on Wednesdays. Now, today is Friday, and I just want y'all to, I'm just coming to here to let y'all know that I got something special just for y'all, okay? So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for just being here. I just want to wish y'all happy holidays. I pray for the best for you. And this is why I am putting this video up, because of the fact that I want everyone to be able to get their credit fixed, okay? So if you want to get your credit fixed, text me at this number right here and put fix. And I will actually call you and we will get together and we will actually get your credit back on track. Now, normally it would be $179. But if you call this number before Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will pay $100 for you. So that means you will only pay $79. And you will pay $89 a month each and every month after that. But you will have to keep it for 6 months. So to bring in the new year, new you, let's get your credit right so you can afford to buy that house that you want, or that car that you want, or live in a certain area that you want to live in, okay? So if you are willing to keep this for at least 6 months, call this number. I will pay the $100 for you. You will pay the $79 to start and $89 a month after that, okay? So if you're serious, this is for you. Now, calling all agents, car dealerships, mortgage owners, if you deal with people that are being denied for credit approval, I have something else for y'all, okay? So again, call this number right here. I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm also gonna put it in the description below to call me, and we can actually get y'all on as an agent, and you'll be making an residual income each and every month, okay, by doing so. So again, I'm calling people that want to get their credit fixed. If you can't afford it, there's no excuse right now. Yes, baby. You can't afford it. There's no excuse right now, okay? And also, agents, real estate agents, car dealerships, brokers, mortgages, anybody that's dealing with people that do not qualify for credit, I'm talking to you. Your time is now. Call me before Sunday, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, and we will get you on track, okay? There is no excuse, okay? People always say, I don't have the money. But you have the money to pay all this interest that you're paying, okay? You have the money to buy all this stuff for Christmas that puts you in debt. Let's get you out of debt and start learning financial literacy so you won't be in the same predicament that you are in now, okay? So that is what I came on here to offer. My name is Renata, the Credit Compass. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Check me out on my podcast as well. Please, you guys, there's no excuse. The time is now, okay? So my name is Renata, the Credit Compass. Be you, be true, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless, and let's get it done, okay? Thanks.